This place is very interesting to me. This is where I come the most to do my videos. But I'm curious about something. I'm curious about something. I don't think I am the only one that does this. But if I am, that's very cool. Every time like I come to this place, the first thing that I do is to say hi. To say hi to the trees because I feel like as soon as I step in here, it's like if they know. It's so interesting. It's like if they know that I'm here, it's like it feels like a sort of a connection. It feels brothers, sisters. It feels so I cannot describe it, but I talk to them. I come here and I talk to them and I have like this whole conversation. And it's like we have this whole conversation, but it's like it's not a conversation. It's like an energetic conversation that is happening. It's like I'm talking and I feel like they're talking to me, but in a with energy. I feel like they're the information that I'm getting. It goes to my subconscious some way somehow because I feel like it can listen to things that I can't. It can see things that I can't, and it's always there looking, and it's like conscious. My consciously, I am talking to. When I come here, I am talking to the trees, but there is another process happening energetically, and to me it feels so interesting, so deep, so unique. So I like this place because I feel like I can do this freely without because if you go to a normal park or a park, it's gonna be people everywhere. They're gonna start looking at you and you're gonna be like just talking to the tree. I mean, no no that is a problem, but yeah, I'm not ready to put myself in that situation yet. But talking talking to the trees, and it's like they know. It's very interesting because I am here. I am here talking about the trees, touching them here, and literally, this is feels like an audience. Like I don't know, I don't know. It gives me like a oh, it gives me like a very interesting, energetic, deep feeling. It's like a feeling like I honestly, uh, I don't know how to describe it. Can you guys hear the birds? Oh, so good. It was raining. It was raining earlier and everything is wet and I still can hear the water drops and the whole thing adds to this atmosphere that is sort of like slightly mystic, quiet, gothic, peaceful, sexy. All of them are naked. Even the mess looks gorgeous. Look at this. Even the mess looks gorgeous because everything has a whole process. I mean, everything is a process. The trees also get diseases. The trees also talk among them. The trees always breathe. They listen. Not like us, but they do. They do in a very different way. And we are all connected. We are all connected for one purpose, working like a team. Working like a team. And the trees are also part of it. I'm like a woods lady, nature lady, explorer lady, adventure lady. I don't know. This is right now feels unreal to me. It does feel unreal. It feels like this place is talking to me. It's like, do you talk to the trees? If you talk to the trees, you probably talk to yourself a lot. I talk to myself a lot. Good, obviously. I always talk to myself good. I never used to talk to myself good. But now, not even a chance to talk myself any other way that is not good. It's like everything good around myself. And you know what is funny talking about that? Some people I notice it like, it's like if you told to yourself, in a nice way, like I love myself. I'm my best friend. Like, yes, I'm the best thing I know. Why is that a problem? Why is that a problem? Why is that a problem? It's not meant to be any other in any other way than I love me. Like I never knew that I love myself so much. I never knew that the key was love me to the point that I cannot love anymore. Honestly. But I'm learning and it's like the more that you know, the more that you learn. It's like the less you know and the more it is to learn. Not like the more that is to learn because there is something that is fun on knowing the information that we get, that I get. It's like I'm cold to the information. So when I go to the information, it's exciting. It's exciting reading about it, knowing about it. It's like an enjoyment. And a lot of doors open. A lot of doors open with those keys, with those information. And and it's like a map. Now that I'm talking about this, it's like a map, an internal map that tell us what to look for, what to do, and when to do it. It's like those informations that come to us and we so want to know. We so are intrigued about it. We are so excited about it. We so want to experience. We so want to live. We so want to feel, travel. We so want to go deep. I think that's the thing. The depth. The deep. Why experiencing things that are superficial? Why would I do that if I had the chance to go deep? I guess we're all unique, right? We're all unique, and that's what makes the world so interesting. It's like we are all working together, but at the same time, individually. It's like everything that you do, everything that we do is for a cause that is gonna be contribute to a bigger cause, to the main purpose cause. This place, this place gives me a lot of interesting feeling and thoughts when I come here. Sometimes I get some feelings, thoughts too, but feelings, some feelings that I don't know how to put it into words. It, I don't know how to put them into words. And I feel like if I put them into words, would be no more magic because the brain. What is the job of the brain? Analyze, analyze, and analyze. But our energy, our soul, is different. It's like the matters of the heart are different from the matters of the brain. But even though so, they have to work together. They both have to work together. I heard something in the background and I lost my point. But this place, yeah, what I was saying, it's like there are certain things that are meant to be felt, not to express, not to talk about them, not to announce them. They are just meant to be felt. They are meant to be experienced in that only way. It is like killing the magic, talking about it. It's- and I think that's why sometimes we feel certain things that we cannot explain, that we cannot put into words. It's just almost like impossible. Put a name, a title, a something. It's almost like impossible. So it's sort of something like that, getting the brain involved in the matters of the feelings, the soul, the heart, I don't know. We mess things up. We kill the magic, I guess, to what is meant to be feel, live, experience it in an internal and deep way. There's no words. There's no words. The more we know ourselves, the more we know others. I've been slapping myself a lot because these mosquitoes. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.